This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by Peggy Laud. This immaculate 3-bedroom ranch has a great open floor plan with large kitchen, informal dining room, and a cozy fireplace in the living room. You will fall in love with a large, beautifully landscaped yard with fire pit. Located close to everything: schools, shopping, John Deere Expressway. The crawlspace has been encapsulated and has a sump pump and dehumidifier. New sewer line to the street. Gutter guards, hot water heater new in 2018. Furnace and air in 2009 and was freshly painted in 2020. For more information, review the details below.